Truckers, it's 2021 Truck Festival, a second lot. This time we will be presenting the bigger brother, Isuzu Forward. We will be showcasing a batch of 3 on the same category of trucks, the Dropside Cargo. These units will be rolling out on your timeline this 4th week of July. Once again, join us here at Truck Star Motors Sales as we unveil all of our available trucks on various makers, models, and types. Welcome back to the Truck Parade. Unit code TPR.16 Lira. Isuzu Forward, Dropside Cargo Truck. For long-haul transport and more demanding applications, the 6-cylinder 6HK1 offers the ultimate output and torque. The engine mounted in this vehicle meets Japan's new short-term emissions gas regulations, which features the common rail, super high-pressure fuel injection system, adoption of 16-valve, configuration to improve intake and exhaust efficiency, and other state-of-the-art technology. Unit features: new model, aluminum sidings with wooden flooring, coil spring suspension, chassis length of 20 feet, 6 wheels, 2021 year model on ORCR, 6 holes, and with manual transmission. Fresh unit inside out. In good running condition. Direct import from Japan. Converted to left-hand drive, nothing was changed, for you to check and inspect first. And actual photos of the unit are posted. Unit code TPR.14 Lira. Isuzu Forward Dropside Cargo Truck. Unit features: new model, aluminum sidings with steel flooring, and windbreaker installed. Coil spring suspension, chassis length of 23 feet. 6 wheels, 2021 year model on ORCR. 6 holes, and with manual transmission. Direct Japan import. Converted to left-hand drive, nothing was changed. For you to check and inspect first, and actual photos of the unit are posted. Fresh unit and in good running condition. Similar to the first unit, this runs on a Euro 4 compliant power diesel 6HK1 engine, which features the common rail, super high pressure fuel injection system, adoption of 16-valve, and other state-of-the-art technology. Unit code TPR.S03. Isuzu Forward Dropside Cargo Truck. Big power from small displacement. Isuzu engineers push the limits of engine technology to develop the 4-cylinder 4HK1. These diesels are ideal for urban delivery. Versatile unit for loading any type of cargo. The turbocharger realizes high output from small displacement. The result is improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. Unit features: aluminum sidings with wooden flooring, coil spring suspension, 6 wheels, 2021 year model on ORCR. 6 holes, and with manual transmission. New model. As is where is, for you to check first. Conversion to left-hand drive has been done. Direct import, Japan surplus. Actual photos posted. The unit in good running condition. Would suggest including this as an option on your next truck purchase. For unit availability, questions and concerns, kindly contact Red Moahe Jr. on the numbers flashing on the screen, or check the description box for more details. You may also visit our Facebook page, that's www.facebook.com/TruckStarMotors, or direct message Red Moahe Jr. at www.facebook.com/RedHotTrucksForSale. We accept cash and financing payment options. All units are VAT inclusive, with free transfer of ownership and TPL insurance. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more updates, latest shipments, and unit features on all truck types, brand new and pre-owned.